Dude, steak fried rice is one thing.
Yeah?
But my steak in fried rice is
wait.
a whole...
Not steak fried rice. Steak and fried rice.
Perhaps. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And then we got Tacky over here. So glad that you guys are here with us. Today I'm going to show you steak fried rice a little different.
No, steak and fried rice.
It's how you prep it, how you serve it, all the things. It's going to be amazing. You won't want to miss it. A wicked sauce is on the way. In the meantime, here. Ah, there it is. Grab a cup every time the bell rings.
Angel gets swings.
That's right. Sippy time.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
So to start this delightful recipe
Steak and fried rice.
off, yes,
That's how I get used to saying.
we're gonna get a little bit of olive oil and we are going to
Are you cooking a whole?
see.
You're not cutting it up, right?
Absolutely not.
Heck yeah.
See, when you cut it up, sure, you might
Dude,
speed things up a little
do
bit.
my scruffing
when
technique.
No. That's a
Wow.
that was a cute idea, but no.
You know, this is causing me serious psychological harm.
I don't know. Who am I?
Fine.
Okay.
Salt and pepper, and then island stir fry.
That's gonna burn.
You should cut the top of it so like the seasoning goes into it deep.
That's a decent idea.
I just thought of it, you know.
Yeah.
I don't like any of
It's
this.
so smart.
I don't like any of this.
Heal Mini-Me!
Let's head over to our Blackstone,
All right.
which I have right now. I had it on low, but I cranked it to high because it's been cruising.
A little
So
smoke.
obviously you can see we got some smoke action happening right over here. We're gonna let this baby take a
That's a
little nap.
decent hunk of meat there.
I know.
I'm a fan of like the thicker steak anyway.
You want to go ahead and keep talking? You want to, maybe let me?
I was chiming in. I was saying you're doing great.
Thank you. You
You're
know
welcome.
what? Let's ring it and bring it for that. I'm
Yeah.
alright with that. By the way, we're on the air, but it doesn't work because Ethan broke it.
Well,
No, we don't gnaw on our kitty. Leave Mini Mr. Bigglesworth alone.
So there are people out there that are really good at making probably a more authentic style of fried.
Like Uncle
as
Roger.
authentic as it could be, from like,
Uncle Roger would not be happy with this.
no?
Who's that?
Well,
Raji.
like Uncle Ben.
Yeah, that guy too.
Hey, stay back. Stay back.
You know Uncle Roger?
Just Ben.
Get over here. Yeah,
No, Uncle Ben. With great power comes
great responsibility. I like it. So if you use day-old rice that you get from like your fast food Chinese joint, let it dry out. I think you actually get a better fried rice
True.
turnout. But not everybody has
You're not after
day-old
better.
Chinese food.
You're after convenience.
I'm after convenience. That's right.
You'd like to have the month-old rice in the bag.
I don't know. I'm not so sure about that. Here's another trick. Get your peas and carrots.
I'm Forrest Gump.
Oh, nice. Gonna do a little bit of olive oil right here. And let's get this cooking by itself because these are frozen peas and carrots.
Oh, they're bouncy.
And, Ethan, is that an adequate amount?
A little bit more.
Okay.
Okay.
How about that?
A little bit. More of the peas, not the carrots.
I can't do anything about that. We're out of luck there.
Are you stupid or something?
A little bit of salt and pepper.
Come back. All right.
A little salt and pepper. And then wait. Stay there.
Okay.
Got me a little bit of soy. Woo!
Already?
Just
You know what? I'm
on
just
this guy
gonna
right
let you
here.
do you, bud.
Thank you, sir. That sounds like
You're
a
welcome, sir.
fantastic idea.
Your rice is hopping.
I know. Just like me. Hop. No.
No.
We're gonna ring it and bring it. We'll be right back. We got things happening here. We'll be back. You know what? We'll be back when it's time to flip. Whoa. The steak. How about that? Come on over here. Here's the trick with this Ben's rice.
Okay.
It's pre-cooked. You're basically steaming this up to heat it up. So you got some water here, and then you let it do its thing.
Oh, it's time to mix.
Starting to mix these
You know,
components
I
in
could use
together.
A lot more peas. Right, Ethan?
So the pea to carrot ratio is off?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yes, you ain't cool unless you pee.
Let's get some of these green onions. We're gonna cut off the whites,
Whoa.
the bases of these guys right here.
I have to get rid of them.
No, I'm not gonna get rid of them. I'm gonna cook with these guys right here.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, dude, Charlie's looking right at me. Stop it. Dude, stop it. He stopped looking. Stop.
And let's get these guys.
You're not going
You
to
know what?
explain it? You said it and you're not going to say it.
Okay, it's better to cook with the whites
Yeah.
and garnish with the greens.
Why is that?
I don't know, Nate.
Yes, you do.
No, I'm not telling.
It's better to cook with the whites and garnish with the greens.
There it is. Okay, now we are at the phase of the fried rice where I'm gonna do a little. Oh my gosh, I forgot something.
What?
I can't believe I did this.
What'd you do?
Forgot my eggs.
Where are they?
They're inside.
Wow!
You stay there.
First walk of shame on
You
this.
stay there.
It's the first walk of shame on this set. What an idiot! You are one pathetic loser.
Yeah, I am.
So we're gonna go down with, let's say, oh, I don't know. Let's
Tres
do.
huevos.
Uh-oh.
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 Now you're really off your game.
Hurry up.
Darn it.
You made another one over there.
Hurry. My game is off right now. That's what happens when you get stung by the walk of shame.
Nicked you?
It really, it straight up nicked me.
Wow.
What? What is going on? What kind of...
This is great. What is it?
See?
Okay.
Genius, genius, genius.
One more.
Okay. What?
These are faulty eggs.
How old are your eggs?
I don't know. Just because you're the chicken king over there. All right. That's better. Now we are gonna season a little bit.
Okay.
'Cause you gotta take the time to season your eggs.
Pepper and salt,
Pepper.
as you like to say.
I know.
That's always good.
But while we're over here,
Have a
let's go ahead and get this guy.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. How you doing? Thick steak is important for this because you can allow it to cook longer, get that nice sear, but not overcook it.
Yeah.
But I don't know, the way things are going right now,
We'll see.
we'll see what happens, man, because this is absolute pandemonium. All right, come on over here. There are two kinds of people in this world.
Yeah.
People who like bean sprouts and people who don't.
I love bean.
I love bean sprouts. So I'm going to set down a few bean sprouts here, and then we're going to season them. But before we do, let's get our eggs cruising over here.
Okay.
Cruising for a bruising. Little soy. It's going to go a long way here on those bean sprouts.
Mmm.
Now a little sesame oil,
Okay.
just a little bit.
It tastes like earth. I like that.
Little hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce.
I haven't had that hot and spicy.
Oh, it's a little hot, a little spicy.
Oh, so it's
not
not just
just
a clever
name.
name.
It's been a while since we've said that. And we've got some low sodium soy sauce. Now,
Okay.
my esteemed defendees,
Oh, it smells amazing.
we mix.
It smells so
And
good.
we start together, all together. It does, it smells so just right,
I
right?
don't know what it is. There's something so fun about this action.
Just the tossing.
Yeah, every time I make fried rice, I
It
feel good
feels
about
like,
myself.
I mean, it feels like, you know, you're at a hibachi restaurant and
Yeah, but at home.
it gives you all the things. It's the sound too,
It's
right?
tactile, you feel it,
Yeah, you feel
Yeah.
it in your fingers.
and your toes. It's all around me.
Come on and let it show.
What are we looking at?
Wayne's World. These guys, they do their show out of their basement.
We are now.
Is that it? Are we done?
No,
Oh,
we're gonna ring it and bring it, and we're coming back to build the sauce.
okay, gotcha.
Then we'll be done. Holy cow, that was a whole calamity there for a
Quick.
second. That was close. So we're gonna start in order. I've got some low sodium. You're gonna notice I don't measure. If I want to taste it and make it, yeah, exactly. So I've got some low sodium soy sauce. Low sodium soy sauce. I've got a dab of sesame oil. We've also got some hoisin. Now this is a thicker kind of Asian barbecue sauce. I wanted it because of the viscosity. That's the word I was looking for. Also Japanese barbecue sauce. We've got some Bachan's hot and spicy. We've got some rice vinegar here, just a dab.
Nice.
Some more of that viscosity with this teriyaki based and glaze. Let's give this all a mix up. You know what? let's take this over to our steak because we're gonna get a nice little glaze
dang.
on there.
Right over top?
Dude, right over the top, flip it over and start glazing, my friends.
Is that a lot?
Does it look like a lot to you?
Yeah.
It's not.
It looks good.
It looks great. Now you're gonna see as it starts to get a little thicker, that's the sauce reducing. It's going to stick to your steak. That's what you're wanting. That's like the actual glaze that you're going for.
So shiny.
And now it's time to plate. Now let's start by grabbing our steak. I'm gonna actually slice off. I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna eat that later, but for plating, gonna fan out prettier, really where I want it. Let's go and get our fried rice. Now, pile it high and
You
make
don't need to do anything else with the rice?
No, that's
Steak
why
and
it's
fried rice.
Yes, it's an upgraded steak and fried rice. Now I've got some green onion, the onion that I did not cook. We're gonna be using it, that top portion, as a garnish.
Dude, you and all the pro moves.
What can I say? But before I do that, I've got to drizzle this with some sauce. We're gonna top this with some crunchies. My goodness,
Dude, you did
it
a
looks
thing.
good enough to eat.
You did a thing, buddy.
I did. In fact, let's get over here and speaking of this thing, Bub, you know what? Let's taste the fried rice first.
Okay.
Just because that's the easiest. When I was a kid, I used to avoid the carrots and the green peas.
Could have used some more peas.
Maybe a couple.
Say it with me. P.
Simple, delicious, easy. Don't forget the eggs. All right, all right.
All right. That's a good looking steak. You nailed it. Gosh, the cheese.
Yes. I'm a fan of all this. This is so good. The sauce was incredible. The rice is so simple. Nothing fancy, just some basic techniques. I don't know what else to be said, except you made it this far, you might as well stick around for a couple more minutes, right?
Is that time?
It's that time. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So before we get started, just to note, when the cameras were not rolling, Nate goes, dude, this looks beautiful. And then he tried it.
Yeah, I said that when the cameras were rolling.
But he meant it when the cameras were off. And he tried it, he's like, dude, this is money, this is great. You gotta try this. But, little segue, comments of the week.
Not
You
a
made
good
it this
one. That was a rough segue.
It wasn't really a segue, it was more of a statement.
Yeah.
You guys, I feel like I'm losing my marbles.
What's the quote for? Oh! I thought you were going to Stevie Wonder. Hey, CJ, did you know?
Wow. Are we? Hang on.
Hey, CJ, did you know? Well, I don't have anything for Stevie Wonder. I thought you were going to do a little segue to Stevie Wonder.
Why you don't have anything for Hook?
No, that's what I do have the fact for, but I didn't have a blank shirt, so now I'm just moving this on to a different fact. The McCains sent me a fact because they were at Disneyland, and when they sent it to me, I was like, what? I'm at Disney World. So I sent them a fact back. Here's their fact.
Did you know in the 1960s Doritos were discovered in Disneyland?
Now here's my fact.
My fact, however, is about Hook. While Dustin Hoffman was cast early on, a few other people were being looked at for the role, like Christopher Lloyd, Donald Sutherland, I think, and even David Bowie. I think David Bowie would have been pretty cool. If anybody else has any other facts, send them on over.
So.
Huh.
That was fun.
It was weird.
It was very weird.
A lot of weird going on. I love it though. Dude, it's so random that they send you a fact while they're at Disneyland and you're at Disney World.
How does that even happen?
I don't know.
Imagine.
Fun fact, he used to work for Disney World.
Who?
Him which we do not speak of.
Hello. Oh, and I was dressed up because it was Halloween. You know, I filmed this like 3 months ago.
Sure. So this is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewer. If you guys write it,
We reads it.
that right? That right?
That right.
That right.
That right.
Starting from the top in no particular order, this one comes in from Casey Plate.
Hey, Casey. What's going on?
Hey guy.
Hey.
Hey guy.
What does he say?
It says at 5 minutes and 48 seconds, CJ adds a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika into a pound of bacon to bring quote a little fun smoky flavor to it. Hey guy, I've got a joke for you.
What?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Go.
All right,
Okay.
guy.
Observation.
Guy.
Kiss your mother with that mouth.
I wouldn't.
I'll kiss your mother with that mouth.
Ooh. Okay, this is from Dr. Venkman.
Oh, hey.
Old Doc Venk says, dude, you've ruined bells for me. Every time I hear one, I have to drink. I can't watch boxing, MMA, or wrestling without drinking myself silly. Noon? Bad times.
Wow.
Dr. Venk.
Until next time.
Okay, we'll see you guys later. This is from Barbarian.
Conan? The?
Destroyer.
Oh.
Says, these two are the absolute worst on this channel. Sometimes I just want to unsubscribe. They're completely useless, dude.
Kind of like Conan too, oddly enough.
The second Conan was better.
Then the first one?
The Destroyer?
I like Conan the Barbarian.
The second one's way better.
Isn't that the one with the
That's
snake?
with the giant basketball
And
player.
James Earl Jones?
That's not James Earl Jones.
Well, it looks kind of like him.
Look around you.
Oh man, another stinger. This is from Michael Homiak.
Hey, Michael.
7431 says, this recipe looks good, but you're not funny.
Not a homiac.
And the comments and back and forth are annoying and impossible to watch. If you stopped, you'd gain subscribers. Trust me.
Cool.
Nah, dude.
500,000's not enough.
Nah, that's,
Yeah, not
I guess not, it's not a significant number.
One for you, one for my homiac.
Well played.
It's my joke that he said louder.
I elaborated.
All right, fine.
Elaboration goes a long way. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Be sure to like and subscribe if you have not. To drink your Ovaltine,
Yeah.
please do that. Also, be sure to go to griddlenation.com for shirts, swags, all kinds of cool stuff. Also, go to blackstoneproducts.com where you can get this recipe and tons of other things. But before you go, I've got the OG board up, back again finally, and our girl at Griddle Up, Amber, she sent this over. Andy, I need your help.
Did you get any more tacks yet?
Nah, dude. Let's go right there. In the meantime, everybody, this is CJ's first show.
First show?
It's first show ever.
It's my first cooking show.
You can tell by the way he walked the same.
I
Over there.
hate KC Plate and his son-in-law.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. This is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
Okay, there he is! We'll see you guys later.